Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through using Bonchat, a secure messaging app that gives you total control over your privacy. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to know is that Bonchat is built around end-to-end encryption, meaning your chats are locked down from the moment you hit send. Download the app from the App Store or Google Play and open it up. You will be asked to create a profile. This usually takes just a minute and may require basic verification to keep the platform safe. During setup, you might see options for server deployment. For most of you, the default cloud option is fine. However, if you're a business user or ultra-private, this feature actually lets you host your own private server, so you control the data, not them. Now let's look at the daily interface, which is designed to be simple and familiar. To start a chat, tap the New Message icon and select a contact. You can send text, voice messages, and share files just like other apps, but with that added encryption layer. For groups, Bonchat has powerful group management tools. When you create a group, dive into the settings. You can customize member permissions in detail, controlling exactly who can post, add members, or change group info. Finally, one of the best features is that you aren't stuck just on your phone. Bonchat supports cross-platform usage, so you can keep chatting on your tablet or desktop. Simply log in with your credentials on your other devices. Your encrypted messages will sync seamlessly, ensuring you stay connected whether you are at your desk or on the go. And that's it. You are now ready to chat securely with full control over your data. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.